Dear viewers, you are watching Shikdar News 24 at this moment. I am Razak Shikdar with always with you viewers. In this video, I want to show what is the Instagram bio and how can we write Instagram bio in our Instagram account. The viewers, let's know how can we write and set up a bio in our Instagram. Viewers, at first you have to know what is the bio in Instagram account. Viewers know. First site is the last site. It's a very important and very valuable words in the world. The viewers bio is the things that first a visitor will visit your page. You should think it will help to you to grab the audience to your page and to your business account. We can describe in this bio about ours and about ourselves and about our business page and it's our business idea. It's the reason why the followers will like, will comment and share and follow us. Dear viewers, we can describe ourselves in short in this bio. Besides, we can address here our contact, emoji and our website URL and etc. we can include in this bio. It's a pleasure to write something here in a few lines. That means 150 character only we can use here. So it's a matter of worry, but I think it's not a matter of worry. If you try to write an interesting and attractive and creative bio, so it's possible. The viewers, if you like my video, you can like, comment and share my video, and for the next informative video you may subscribe my channel Shikdar News 24. The viewer, before creating a bio in Instagram, I want to see, I'll show my bio in Instagram and it will help you to know what is bio and what is situated in this app. At first I want to open this app, my Instagram app here. I'll open it. The next I'll go on my profile, even situated in the right and lower side to my set. I'll click here. Viewers, you are seeing here the Razak Shikdar, and this is my bio. This I have right here the Razak Shikdar. I want to create something new. If you write it, dears, I have to create something new, always to do something for household, and it's my dream. I want to be I want not to be other subordinate neighbor, and I choose to do it today. Today, viewers, I have write it's my bio. When a new viewers when visit my account, first they will read it, they will watch it they will know by reading it what who am I, what's my dream, and what is my bio. They will impress to see this bio. Dear viewers, that kind of bio, how can I write in my bios, that I'll show you in this video. So let's go. Dear viewers, if we want to write interesting and creative bio in our Instagram account, so let's go. It's our Instagram apps. That means we have to use here in our set. We have to open it. I have to open it, and after open this app, and you find your profile pic here, and the lower right side of our mobile. I have to click here. After clicking here, we have to click in the profile, in the edit profile. We have to click here, edit profile. In the next time, viewers, we are seeing here the bio in our set. In the bio, it's a very interesting and very important topics, very important option in Instagram. You have to click here, and viewers, here we can write something as your bio. You can write here a bio about your business or about yourself and your contact information, your emoji and your website. You will write here, and after writing here, you will phrase the tick mark in the right side, in the upper right side here. viewers, it will press. After pressing it, it will be added bio in your Instagram account. Viewers, it's about all, and take care. See you in the next time.